Beat it.
Look at all the angles. You know Whit and you know how far he can reach. So just pay me off and I'm quiet. But use cash. Don't try to pay me off with pitch handed to you by this cheap piece of baggage. I was hoping you'd do this.
You didn't have to kill him.
Yes, I did. You wouldn't have killed him. You would have beaten him up and thrown him out.
You didn't have to do it.
You wouldn't have killed him. It'd have been against us. Gone to Whit.